I'm back here today with the V-Copter Mini drone here, and it's kind of a sad news day. We got some kind of disturbing news this morning from V-Copter, or this they call themselves Dear Falcon Mini V-Copter uses a Falcon V-Copter Mini Falcon. I don't know how the word, where the Falcon comes in there, but anyhow, doesn't matter. So this is from the kind of the official V-Copter Mini Facebook group for the Indiegogo starter people. Here, I'll put a link down below to the group. And let me just read this as quickly as possible. Dear Falcon Mini users, this morning we sent an email to all of our Indiegogo backers regarding a potential safety issue with the Falcon Mini's battery, which may pose risks during use. In it, we asked all users to cease using and charging their Falcon Mini devices and dispose of them appropriately. We are currently arranging to provide a replacement Falcon Mini drone with enhanced safety features to all our backers. Please check the email that you used to purchase your Falcon Mini for more details. If you have not received the email, please contact our support team at supportvcoptr.com. Yeah, so to facilitate this replacement process, the following survey has been provided, and I'll put a link to this group in the email. So essentially, if I'm reading this right, they say dispose of them properly. So they want you to, I guess, to however you would dispose of such devices and batteries like this, like essentially throw them in a trash can. Yeah, I mean that's this is early days. This came out early this morning. Like I saw it as early as 7:38, 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time today. So I don't know when this actually hit here. So I mean, this has been a problematic device for me. I couldn't get it going for a long time. I made a video just recently. Mike Wright and Johnny the Drone Flyer helped me get it flying here. I didn't see any issues with the battery overheating or anything like that. I mean, I only have one battery, so and it's even though it's still summer, it's been milder weather since I've been on the flight in the last couple of days. So I hadn't seen any issues, but as a drone user, almost the worst fear or nightmare is that a battery would explode, catch on fire, especially in your house, where it could cause damage all the way up to burning your house down. This is a problem more common to FPV flyers than it is camera drone flyers, but here it is less anyways. So again, this is all the information I have so far on the little Falcon V-Copter Mini drone. Not good news at all. How long it'll take to get these replacement drones, who knows. It took these are supposed to arrive in June. Mine didn't arrive until about the middle of August. So, there was a delay in getting the original ones out. Who knows how long it'll take to get these replacement units. And if they say it's the battery, why do you have to throw the whole drone out? It's saying the cease charging their Falcon Mini devices and dispose of them appropriately. I'm reading exactly verbatim here. Why don't they just say dispose of the battery? Why do you have to dispose the whole drone if the battery's causing fire? So that's kind of, alarming there too, that maybe there's more to this than just a bad battery. Again, I'll try any more news I get on this. I'll try to, get to you. I mean, right now I'm just giving you the facts of what I'm reading from, Falcon or V-Copter Falcon Mini themselves. This is from the horse's mouth, as I said here. So I'm trying not to give you any opinion here or, stuff I read on the internet from people that aren't V-Copter Falcon. So, so that's about it on this video here, folks. I just wanted to get this up fast. If you didn't know this, my advice would be, I guess, follow what they're telling you in this alert here. If they're telling you to throw the devices out, that they can be dangerous, I would take that seriously. So, when you're not using this, lock it in a fireproof box or whatever. But even that, I mean, who would you want it like catching on fire in the air and falling down and causing some damage? So yeah, I mean, this definitely it's disturbing. I just, again, I read this morning, I came down and made this video. I just grabbed this thing. I guess, till I figure out how I'm going to dispose this, I will, keep this outside of the house or whatever, in case anything would happen. So, okay, that's it, folks. Short video. You hope you got something out. I'm Ron from Ron Brown's YouTube channel. I cover a lot of drone gear, tech gear, cameras, and so on here. Give me the thumbs up if you got anything on this video. Subscribe if you're not already a member. Ring the bell so you'll know when I post more videos about drones and tech and cameras. And I'm not going to say goodbye here. I'm going to say that I'm going to post another video related to this that you may be interested in seeing. So click that video up there and I'll see you at that video. Hello, folks. I just had a video recently where I give you the bad news about the little Falcon V-Copter Mini drone. They're doing a kind of a recall. I mean, actually, they said to destroy it or whatever, dispose of it, and they're going to send new ones out. So, that was, very alarming. So, the good news is that I've already got my replacement in for the V-Copter. That was fast here. So, I had the replacement right over here. It just came in here. It's a little bit bigger than the V-Copter Mini here, but I think it's going to be a pretty good replacement here. It has a lot of features, and it's made by a company. Well, we don't like to talk about that company anymore here in the U.S., but So I really like my new kind of full size V-Copter Mini replacement here, and I'm going to have more videos on the channel on it here. So it's I heard it's a pretty good replacement here. We will find out. Maybe we can do some comparisons with it to the video and photos I shot with the Falcon V-Copter. So so just want to let you know, replacement came in very early, for the V-Copter Mini, and looking forward to getting this one out and flying and hoping there's going to be no issues with this one.